Hello, welcome back to this channel again. This is another class for coordinate geometry of straight line. Okay, so now you can see that here we need to find the distance from এটা got line দিয়েছি L1 line and this is another line L2. Okay, এই দুটো লাইন মধ্যে we need to find the distance. So the distance, suppose the distance is p dash, okay, and the distance is given from origin to this line 1 is what? P distance, and this perpendicular from origin to this line, that is creating an angle alpha with respect to x-axis. Then we know the equation of this line. This line will be equal to how much? That will be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, but if I am going to extend this line from O to Q, then this will be what? Up to this distance it is p, but from here to here it is how much it will be? Because here distance is p1, so from O to Q, OQ will be what? P plus p dash, because this distance is, you can see this distance is what? P distance, p dash distance, and from this to this is p distance. So from PO to Q it will be p plus p dash, so it will be p plus p dash. Okay, OQ will be p plus p dash. Now we can show that the what equation of this line will be equal to, because the angle is same. Okay, you can see the angle is same because I am just extending this OB to OQ. Okay, so the angle will be same, so equation will be x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal to p plus p dash. So now if you want to know the length p dash, this p, if I will bring to left hand side, it is going to be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p. Hela idke answer. So this is the required what? Solution. Okay, this will be the required solution for finding the distance, this distance, p dash. Okay, now another one is there. What is that? Suppose okay, this is another case. Suppose one more point is there. The equation, the coordinate of this point will be x1 and y1. Okay, and we need to find, suppose this is another line, a line equation kono ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is general form. Okay, so now we need to find the distance from this point to this line. So distance means you draw a perpendicular, this will be the distance. So now you can see this will be the distance from p to, suppose I am going to name it is a m. Okay, pm is the distance. Pm is the perpendicular distance, So now to find the solution, it will be how? It will be a into x1, this x1, okay, plus b into y1 plus c divided by a square plus b square root over, and always take mod because the length is always positive. This will be the distance. Okay, next if two lines are parallel, one line is like this, another line is like this. If two lines are parallel, it means they have the same slope. So suppose it is a1x, suppose this will be ax1 plus by1 plus c1 will be 0. This is one equation, and another equation will be ax2 plus by2 plus c2 will be 0. This is another equation. So we need to find the distance. Distance means draw a perpendicular, means like this. This will be the distance. Okay, so we need to find this length. So what is the formula here? The formula will be c1 minus c2 divided by, because this AB slope will be same, that's why a square plus b square, this will be the distance formula. Okay, I hope this makes sense. So to find a distance of a line from कौन origin, एटा गोटे लाइन है तो ए लाइन इक्वेशन होची केते ax plus by plus c. तो we need to what find a distance. Suppose this is the distance from origin, then this will be what, the origin coordinate is what, 0 0. So by the formula a into x plus b into y plus c divided by a square plus b square square root, and you take mod for whole. Then but what, we need to find distance from origin to this plane, so this line. So it will be how much, a into 0, x coordinate is 0, plus b into y coordinate is 0, 0 plus c divided by a square plus b square square root. It will be equal to some c divided by a square plus b square square root. Okay, this is the distance formula from origin. Okay, I hope this also makes sense to you. Now we need to find the family of lines through the intersection of lines. Okay, we need to find family of lines through the intersection of lines. Okay, now you see that suppose this is one line and this is another line. Okay, this is one line, this is another line. Suppose this will be L1 and this will be L2. Then we need to find another line, the equation of another line which is passes through this. Okay, this is passes through this intersection point. You can see this is passes through this intersection point. So we need to find what, the equation of this line. Okay, equation of this line we need to find this line. This equation is given to us and this equation is given to us. Then suppose the first equation will be a1x, suppose it will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is one line. Okay, and this will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is another line. So we need to find a straight line which is passes through this original this line. Okay, so this will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 into plus some k into ax2 plus by2 plus c2 equal to 0. And this k is just parameter, it is any real number. So we need to, this is the solution. Equation of this line will be this one. This is the, okay, this line, equation of this line. A line equation of J. Buja padla. Now another one, I am going to say position of 2 points relative to a line. Okay, relative line. Let a1 b1, so a1x plus ax plus by plus c will be a given straight line. and x2 y2 x1 y1 with 2 points lying on the straight line. Suppose this is a line. A line equation हमको दिया है ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given to us. Suppose one more point is given like this. Suppose it होची a point coordinate होची x1 y1. Another point is given x2 y2. Okay. Then 2 points lie on the same side of the straight line. केते बेले सेम साइड हेबे दीटा पॉइंट गोटे ईयर रहबे माने गोटे साइड रहबे जेते बेले कि a x1 plus b y1 plus c and a x2 plus b y2 plus c are of same side हला पुट करबे x1 वैल्यू x2 y1 वैल्यू तुम इक्वेशन में पुट करबो सेमती x2 y2 वैल्यू equation में पुट करबो जेते बेले they have the same sign then you will say that these 2 points will lie on the same side. Okay, opposite केते बेले बिहेव रहबे जेते बेले कि तुम पुट करबो a x1 plus b y1 plus c1. Okay, this is c. If this is positive, suppose, and a x2 plus b y2 plus c2, suppose this will be negative. Eta positive and negative asla kimba eta negative eta positive asla, then they will lie in the opposite sides. Okay, opposite side of the straight line. बुझा पड़ला ना? बुझा पड़ला कि एटा एमती भी पारे किंबा ए पॉइंट गोटे एमती अछि. सपोज एटा गोटे पॉइंट एटा होची x1 y1 देखो आ गोटे x2 y2 माने एटा होची देखो एई जो लाइन एई जो साइड आसिला देखो एटा होची सेम साइड रो अछि. बुझा पड़ला ना? एटा सेम साइड रो अछि. केते बेले सेम साइड हेबे स्ट्रेट लाइन सेम साइड केते बेले हेबे ना जेते बेले कि तमे पुट करिवो एई x1 y1 रो वैल्यू ए इक्वेशन पुट करिवो हैला पुट कले एटा गोटे आसला आ एटी पुट करे एटा गोटे आसला. जदि से मानकर जदि दिटा पॉजिटिव में दिटा नेगेटिव आसले दे आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम साइड माने गोटे साइड रो छथि ए साइड रे हैला एटा स्ट्रेट लाइन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन सेम साइड रे. जदि गोटे नेगेटिव गोटे पॉजिटिव आसला ए माने देखो सेकंड कंडीशन एटा हो फर्स्ट कंडीशन एटा हो सेकंड कंडीशन ला. सेकंड कंडीशन कोन कहूची सेकंड कंडीशन रे देखो एटा हो अदर साइड एटा हो ऑपोजिट साइड हैला ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन. ए स्ट्रेट लाइन रो ऑपोजिट साइड केते बेल रहबो ना ए कंडीशन दे सैटिस्फाई करथिबो. ए कंडीशन कोन गोटे पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव माने ऊपर आडा मन करो सपोज ऊपर आडा पॉजिटिव आ तळे स्ट्रेट लाइन रो तळे होची नेगेटिव. सपोज पॉइंट एठी अछि एटा x2 y2 सपोज एठी नै मन करला ता माने गोटे पॉइंट अछि एठी आ गोटे पॉइंट अछि एपटे माने ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन अच्छी ए स्ट्रेट लाइन रो एपट सेपट अच्छा तो गोटे नेगेटिव गोटे पॉजिटिव आसो. बुझा पड़ला? ओके, आई थिंक आई शुड स्टॉप हियर एंड वी विल गो फॉर द लाइव क्लासेस. ओके, थैंक यू.